Good morning, Mom. Today is a happy day, we're going to have some fun. Mommy says, hey Miko, put your swimsuit on. Grab your towel, grab your bag, come on, let's go along. Miko smiles, Miko claps, I'm ready now, he says. Swimming day is here today, swimming is the best. Swim, swim, swim today, splash, splash, splash and play. Swim with Mommy, yay, 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 swimming makes me happy. Water feels so cool and nice, kick your feet 1, 2. Mommy's clothes and Mommy smiles, I'm so proud of you. Float and kick and splash again, laugh and play all day. Swimming time with Mommy here, hip hip hooray hooray. Swim, swim, swim today, splashing all the day. Thank you Mommy, love you so, swimming time is great. Bye bye pool, bye bye fun, see you very soon. Miko waves and says goodbye under the silver moon. Swim, swim, swim today, splash, splash, splash and play. Swim with Mommy, yay, 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 swimming makes me happy. Swim, swim, swim today, splash, splash, splash and play. Swim with Mommy, yay, 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 swimming makes me happy. Swim makes me happy.